Hey modern workers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we are here to help you master the art of balancing life and work while staying super efficient. Our motto, work smart, live fully. We often hear about traditional professions like doctors, engineers, and teachers, but there's a whole universe of unique and unusual jobs that offer a fresh perspective on what it means to work. We'll travel across the globe, exploring intriguing professions, the people behind them, and the companies that make them possible. First up, professional mermaid. In the heart of Florida, Weeki Wachee Springs State Park is home to one of the most enchanting professions in the world, professional mermaid. These performers don elaborate mermaid tales and perform underwater shows for audiences. The job requires exceptional swimming skills, breath control, and the ability to entertain while submerged. Hannah Fraser, a renowned professional mermaid, shares her experience. Being a mermaid is a dream come true. It's a physically demanding job, but the joy it brings to children and adults alike makes it all worthwhile. The training is rigorous, and we must be in peak physical condition to perform safely. Iceberg Movers. In Newfoundland and Labrador, Iceberg Movers are tasked with towing icebergs away from oil rigs and shipping lanes to prevent potential hazards. This job involves navigating treacherous waters and using specialized equipment to guide the massive chunks of ice to safer locations. Captain David McAllister, an iceberg mover, describes his work. It's a high-risk job, but it's essential for the safety of our waters. We use tugboats and ropes to maneuver the icebergs, and every day presents a new challenge. The unpredictable nature of the job keeps it exciting. Next up, snake milker. At the Australian Reptile Park, snake milkers extract venom from some of the world's deadliest snakes. This venom is used for research and the production of anti-venom, which saves countless lives each year. The job requires a steady hand, nerves of steel, and extensive knowledge of reptiles. Billy Collette, a veteran snake milker, shares his thoughts. Milking snakes is not for the faint-hearted. It's a meticulous process that demands precision and respect for these creatures. Knowing that our work contributes to medical advancements and saves lives makes it incredibly rewarding. Professional mourner. In Ghana, professional mourners, also known as wailers, are hired to attend funerals and express grief on behalf of the deceased's family. This tradition is deeply rooted in Ghanaian culture and ensures that the departed are honored with an appropriate level of mourning. Ama Kumson, a professional mourner, explains her role. Our job is to help families express their sorrow and pay tribute to their loved ones. It's a solemn responsibility, and we take it very seriously. Each funeral is unique, and we tailor our services to meet the family's needs. Pet food tasters. In the UK, pet food tasters work for companies like Lily's Kitchen to ensure that pet food products meet quality and taste standards. These professionals sample various pet foods, assessing their flavor, texture, and overall appeal. Simon Allison, a pet food taster, shares his insights. Tasting pet food might sound strange, but it's crucial for maintaining high standards. We want to ensure that pets enjoy their meals and receive the best nutrition. It's a unique job that requires a refined palate and a love for animals. Professional cuddlers. In Tokyo, Japan, professional cuddlers offer platonic cuddling sessions to clients seeking comfort and companionship. Soineya Cuddle Cafe provides a safe and non-judgmental space for people to relax and experience human touch. Yuki Tanaka, a professional cuddler, describes her work. Cuddling is a powerful form of therapy. Many clients come to us feeling lonely or stressed, and our sessions provide them with a sense of connection and calm. It's a job that requires empathy and a warm heart. Next, golf ball divers. In the United States, golf ball divers retrieve lost golf balls from water hazards on golf courses. These divers use scuba gear to search ponds and lakes, collecting thousands of golf balls that are then cleaned and resold. John Smith, a seasoned golf ball diver, shares his experience. Diving for golf balls is like a treasure hunt. You never know what you'll find underwater. It's physically demanding, but the thrill of discovering hidden golf balls makes it worthwhile. Plus, it's an eco-friendly job that helps recycle lost balls. Professional pusher. In Tokyo, professional pushers, known as ashiya, help commuters board crowded trains during rush hour. These workers ensure that passengers are safely and efficiently packed into the train cars. Hiroshi Yamamoto, an ashiya, explains his role. Our job is to keep the trains running on time and ensure passenger safety. It can be hectic, especially during peak hours, but we take pride in our work. It's all about teamwork and maintaining order in a busy city. Odor Judge. Odor judges work for companies like Hilltop Research to evaluate the effectiveness of deodorants and other odor-controlling products. These professionals have highly sensitive noses and undergo rigorous training to assess various scents accurately. Laura Johnson, an odor judge, shares her insights. Smelling armpits might not be glamorous, but it's essential for product development. Our sense of smell is our most valuable tool, and we use it to ensure that products work as intended. It's a unique job that requires a keen olfactory sense. Finally, bicycle fisher. In Amsterdam, bicycle fishers work for Waternet to retrieve bicycles that have fallen into the city's canals. Using cranes and other equipment, these workers pull out thousands of bicycles each year, helping to keep the waterways clean. Sean DeVries, a bicycle fisher, describes his work. Fishing bicycles out of the canals is a never-ending task. Amsterdam's canals are beautiful, but they often become dumping grounds for bikes. Our job is to keep the water clean and ensure that the canals remain a safe and pleasant environment. Even with the diversity of unique jobs around the world, the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance cannot be overstated. No matter how unconventional or fascinating a job may be, achieving a balance between professional responsibilities and personal well-being is crucial for long-term success and happiness. Many of these uncommon jobs, such as snake milking or iceberg moving, come with high levels of stress and physical demands. It's essential for workers in these fields to manage stress effectively to avoid burnout. Techniques such as mindfulness, regular exercise, and sufficient rest can help mitigate the pressures of these demanding roles. Jobs like professional mourning or professional cuddling require significant emotional investment. Workers in these fields must prioritize personal time to recharge and maintain their mental health. Setting boundaries and ensuring time for hobbies, family, and relaxation are vital for sustaining emotional well-being. For physically demanding jobs like golf ball diving or bicycle fishing, maintaining physical health and safety is paramount. Regular health checkups, proper training, and adherence to safety protocols are essential to prevent injuries and ensure longevity in these careers. Despite the challenges, finding joy and satisfaction in one's work is crucial. Many of the individuals on this list, such as professional mermaids and pet food tasters, expressed a deep passion for their unique jobs. Embracing the positive aspects of work and celebrating small victories can enhance overall job satisfaction. Having a strong support system, whether through family, friends, or professional networks, is invaluable. Sharing experiences, seeking advice, and leaning on others during tough times can provide the emotional support needed to navigate the complexities of uncommon jobs. As we've seen, the world is full of fascinating and uncommon jobs that go beyond the traditional career paths. These unique professions offer a glimpse into the diverse ways people contribute to society, each with its own set of challenges and rewards. At The Modern Workers, we celebrate the diversity of the global workforce and the creativity that drives people to pursue their passions. We hope this exploration of uncommon jobs around the world inspires you to think outside the box and appreciate the myriad ways people find balance and efficiency in their work. Remember, no matter how unique your job may be, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is key to long-term success and happiness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow remote workers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks from the modern workers. We've also provided links to some of the tools we mentioned in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.